This video will cover the Linux CLI commands you must know. First off, we will start with the ls command, which lists what is in the current directory. And if we wanted to move into one of these particular directories, we could use the cd command or change directory command. Let's say change the directory into templates and press the enter key. And then once we're in the templates directory, we can go ls to list what is in the templates directory. Now we have this directory.txt file in here. We can use a command like subl and directory, which is Sublime Text, and it will open up the directory in Sublime Text. What if we wanted to make a folder in this directory? We can use the mkdir command followed by what we want to call the folder. Let's say my files, and then we can use the ls command again to check that the folder was created. Now we can go cd again to go into the my files command, and in here we're going to use the touch command to say hello, and if we go ls, that is now created a file in there called hello. If we go sublime hello, that has now opened up that file in Sublime Text. Now as you can see, we are in the my files folder, which is in the templates folder, but we're at the end of this file structure. How do we get back? Let's use the cd command again, followed by 2 dots. And if we go ls again, we are now back in that original folder, and we can go cd again, and we're going to go back to our home directory. Now let's make a new directory called we don't want this, and I'm going to show you how we can remove this folder structure if we do not want it. We can use the rm, which is for remove, drr, and we can put the we don't want this folder in here and go ls, and it's going to remove that directory. Now let's make a text document again with the Sublime Text command, hello world.text, and we're going to put some data in here just like that and close it. Now, if we wanted to move this text document into one of these folders, what would we do? We can use the mv command, mv hello world.text, and then we put in the folder we want it to go into. So let's use the templates folder again. And if we go ls again, you can see that hello world.text has now been removed from a home directory. But if we go cd templates and ls again, you can see that it was moved into our templates folder. But say we don't want this hello world.text folder in here, what can we do? We can use the rm command or remove to delete the hello world.text. So let's go rm hello world.text and go ls again, and now the text document has been deleted. Now let's edit the directory.txt file again by going sublime and directory.txt, and we're going to say this is my data, hello, you can read this, and we're going to save that, control s, we're going to close that. Now we're going to go ls again, and you can see that file is still there. But say we didn't want to open Sublime Text, how could we read this? We can use the cat command and go cat.directory.txt, and now it's going to spit out whatever data is in there. So this is my data, hello, you can read this. So now I've put data into the directory.txt file, and we're going to use the grep command to search it. So we can go cat, which will list out all the data in there, type cat directory.txt, do the pipe icon, and then we'll go grep, and then we type what we want. So if we want all the zeros, we can click 0, and it's going to list out where all the zeros are in this file. Say we just wanted all the false though, and it will list out all the false flags in this file. But say we wanted just all the bananas. Let's go banana. And again, it's just going to list out the bananas. So it's a good way to find data in a file if this was, say, 5,000 lines long, for example. We also have the wc command, wc directory.txt, and that's going to tell us how many counts of words and lines there are in the file. We can also get some more data from the file without even opening it. Say we use the file command followed by directory.txt, it's going to tell us that it is a CSV text file. Throughout this video, I've been using the Sublime Text command, which is a good text editor that you can use. But say we don't have a text editor, say we are on a server which doesn't have a GUI interface, how would we edit this directory.txt file? Well, we can use Nano, which is installed on almost all Linux distributions. So if we go Nano directory.txt, and now we're going to get this nice, easy to use GUI here. So we can go through here and say we wanted to replace orange with red. we can simply just backspace it out, put the name we want in the field, and now we have to actually write it out. So you see how it has this little up arrow and the 0 to write out. You have to go Control O, and that's going to write it out. You press enter, and now we can go Control X to exit. And if we go into this file now, if we cat this out, you can see that it has changed to red. And now we can use our cat command to list out the changes. Red. And as you can see, it's been changed to red. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.